yoga for lower back pain. Inhaling,
exhaling.
inhaling,
So you can
and
practice Adho Mukha Svanna Asana for relaxation calf muscle, especially state spine to reduce. Especially we are suffering from back pain cause of our
this is also
bad
very good
posture.
yoga posture for back pain, especially lower back pain.
Position on 3 seconds. Inhaling 1, 2,
Exhaling 1, 2, 3, hold 2, 3, 4, 5. Front, someone body is pulling from hand, and 4, 5. For back pain, you can practice inhaling, exhaling, inhaling, exhaling. You can especially butterfly on inhaling, exhaling. Breathing. Inhaling, your belly is up, exhaling, your belly is down. Inhale and exhale. That is. Namaskar, good morning everybody. Me certified yoga teacher Shiva Pokhrel, my channel Yoga and Fitness with Shiva. Today I am going to give a very important yoga posture. That name is yoga for lower back pain. In this video I will include what is the reasons behind the lower back pain, especially what are the yogasana and pranayama to help such types of problem in our daily life. Therefore do not forget to subscribe my channel, like my video and comment on the comment box. If you feel this video is very useful for your friends, colleague and loved one, you can share this video in any social networks. Let's start today's video. Especially bad posture, especially to hold very heavy things, and especially for any types of injury, any staying for a long time, sedentary lifestyle, lack of exercise, lack of balanced diet, lack of sleep, stress, anxiety. There are lots of reasons behind the lower back pain. Those people are always trying to forward folding and practicing any types of works. That is also definitely coming in our lower back pain. Especially those people are cross of 40 years. This problem is very common. Therefore I think that it is very suitable to provide lots of information and knowledge about these problems. Therefore you can watch until the end. Then you can always focus that what is especially for eating in this time, what things are eating. Especially you are eating very greeny vegetables, very sattvic food, very suitable foods. Especially you can apply in this magnesium food. Especially do not focus on the lots of carbohydrate foods, especially trans fats. Especially you cannot eat any types of junk food, outside of food. You can avoid such type of food and focus on the especially shampoo is also very good for back pain. You can ginger, turmeric is also very good. Especially you can take the Shilajit is also very good for back paining. Anti-inflammatory things is very good in this time. Therefore you can always focus on these such types of very healthy diet and practice some yogasana. Among them you can avoid some yogasana. You cannot practice any types of forward folding yoga postures, any types of advanced yoga postures. You can always practice very simple and mild yoga posture. Especially back bending yoga postures are very important. Especially do not practice any kinds of advanced yoga posture in this time. Let's start. I will provide you the first and foremost important yoga posture for lower back pain is cat cow pose. Inhaling, exhaling, inhaling, exhaling, inhaling, exhaling, inhaling, and hold your breath. Exhaling 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhaling 1, 2, 3, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhaling 1, 2, 3, hold your breath 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you can practice this dynamic variation, or little bit you can practice the static variation as well. Then you can practice the
downward facing dog. This is also very good for back pain problems. You can practice Adho Mukha Swana Asana for relaxation calf muscle, especially straight spine, pinch nerve, herniated discs. They are very good for this asana. And the third asana is Balasana or child pose. Inhaling, exhaling, and balancing for parasympathetic nervous system, for vagus nerve to reduce. Especially we are suffering from back pain cause of our bad posture and stress, and we are directly or frequently push up or any types of carry heavy load. That is also main reason.
Then you can slowly practice the first of all the Dhriyadasana for calm your mind, to soothe your mind, especially for concentration focus. Then you can practice other important yoga posture is Sphinx pose. This is also very good yoga posture for back pain, especially lower back pain. Inhaling, exhaling, inhaling, exhaling. Then you can practice the Bhujanga Asana. Keep your both feet together, your head on the mat. From here, inhaling, your upper body part up to your navel is up, and hold your breath 6 seconds, and coming on the or returning on the original position on 3 seconds. Inhaling 1, 2, 3, hold your breath 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhaling 1, 2, 3, and relax on the Makara Asana. This Bhujanga Asana is also very good yoga asana for lower back pain, pinch nerve, herniated discs. Therefore you can also practice, you can apply. Then most important yoga posture for back pain is Shalabha Asana. This is very excellent yoga posture. Inhaling at the place, exhaling 1, 2, 3, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhaling 1, 2, 3, exhaling 1, 2, 3, hold your breath 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhaling 1, 2, 3, exhaling 1, 2, 3, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhaling 1, 2, 3, and you can relax on any meditative or any types of relaxation yoga posture. Then you can slowly lie down on the back. From here you can practice some other yoga asana. That name is Astikasana or stick pose. Inhaling 1, 2, 3, and somebody is pulling from front, somebody is pulling from hand and leg, and it erect your spine. Do not push up your body, totally body is lying on the mat. This is a very excellent practice for back pain. Inhaling, exhaling, inhaling, exhaling. Slowly exhaling 1, 2, 3. Then you can practice Pavan Mukta Asana. Inhaling at the place, exhaling 1, 2, 3, hold your breath 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhaling 1, 2, 3, exhaling 1, 2, 3, and hold your breath 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhaling 1, 2, 3, exhaling 1, 2, 3, and you can push. Roll your in Apanasana, you can roll your back. This is a very good yoga asana. Inhaling, exhaling. Then you can practice the split on the wall. That is also very good yoga asana. Slowly. This is also very good yoga asana. For back pain, you can practice inhaling, exhaling, inhaling, exhaling. You can regularly and continuously practice this yoga asana. Then you can practice on the wall. You can practice especially butterfly on the wall. you can also very good practice. Then you can practice some other yogasana, that is the eye of the needle pose. You can practice inhaling, exhaling, inhaling, exhaling. Then you can practice other leg as well. Inhaling, exhaling, inhaling, exhaling. You can also practice. Then you can practice Shavasana, especially relaxation yoga postures are very good in this time. You can apply all these yogasana. Then you can apply the belly breathing. Inhaling, your belly is up, exhaling, your belly is down. Inhale and exhale, the ratio of inhale and exhale is equal. Inhaling 1, 2, 3, exhaling 1, 2, 3, 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 inhaling 1, 2, 3, exhaling 1, 2, 3. Slowly lie down on the right side and walk up. Then you can apply the especially Anulom Vilom Pranayama. This is also very good for pain, for antioxidant, or especially anti-inflammatory. Inhaling, thank you for watching my videos completely. We'll be next video. Bye bye. Namaskar. Have a nice day.